A very good morning, children. Today our topic is the plateau. So, what is a plateau? A plateau is a landform which is a large and raised area of flat land, almost like a table. That's why it is also called a tableland. It is located around 600 meters above the sea level, so we could say that it lies somewhere between a mountain and a plain. If we see the map of India, it is divided into two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau, which are separated by Narmada Valley. Plateaus are very rich in minerals such as the iron, coal, manganese and mica. Copper, diamond and gold are also found in the plateaus of Africa. The lava plateaus are also rich in black soil that help in cultivation of crops such as cotton, maize, chilies and so on. Many rivers run across the plateaus. As you can see in the picture, the river is running across the plateau. After the monsoon season, there are many waterfalls which help in generating hydropower. Hydropower means when the electricity is generated through the water. Let us learn all these plateaus one by one. So the very first is intermountain plateaus. Plateaus that border cold mountain ranges are called intermountain plateaus. As you can see in the picture, this intermountain plateau, both of its sides is surrounded by the mountain range. One side you will see, both of its sides you will see the mountain ranges, right? These mountain ranges are of fold mountains, and in between you will see the intermountain plateau. Examples of these plateaus are the Colorado Plateau in United States, the Mexican plateaus in North America, the Bolivian Plateau in South America, the Iranian Plateau in Central and Southwest Asia, and the Plateau of Tibet. Rivers cut through these plateaus to form deep valleys and gorges. As you can see in the picture, the river is passing through the plateau. The Grand Canyon in North America is actually a gorge carved out by the Colorado River on the Colorado Plateau. So, what is the meaning of gorge? The narrow valley with steep sides. Okay, the valley which is narrow, which has the steep sides. That is called the gorge. So in this picture, the Grand Canyon, you can see the picture of Grand Canyon in North America, which is a gorge and which is made through the Colorado River on the Colorado Plateau. Next one is the Piedmont Plateau. What is the meaning of Piedmont? Piedmont means the foothill in French. The Piedmont Plateaus are found at the foot of mountain and are bounded on other side by plain or an ocean. So as you can see in the picture, one side you will find the mountain range while another side there is an ocean. Either there will be an ocean or there will be a plain. The example of this Piedmont Plateau is the Malwa Plateau in India, that lies between the Vindhyas range in central India and the Gujarat plains. The Patagonian Plateau in South America, that has Andes mountain on one side and Southern Atlantic Ocean on another side. As you have seen in Malwa Plateau, there was Gujarat plains one side, which means there was one side there is the plains and another side there was the mountain range. Here the same thing, Andes mountain, the mountain range at one side, while another side there is an ocean. Next example is the Appalachian Plateau, which is found in North America, that lies between the Appalachian Mountains and another side there is Atlantic plains. So the mountain range will be common in all these kind of plateaus. The next one is the continental plateaus. The continental plateaus are surrounded on all sides by either plains or an ocean. They are formed by continental uplift or the spread of huge lava sheet. Alright, so in this continent you will find that all of its sides, they are surrounded by all sides by either plains or an ocean. In this picture it is surrounded by an ocean. Example of this kind of continental plateau is the Western Plateau in Australia, the Eastern African Plateau in East Africa, the Deccan Plateau in India. After these plateaus, there is one green box given in your book which we are going to solve it. So, the first one is the plateaus that border Fold mountain range are called the either continental plateau or intermontane plateau. So children, we know it well that it is intermontane plateau. Dash plateau are surrounded on all sides by either plains or an ocean, continental or Piedmont. So as we have just now finished it, the continental plateau. The third one is the Mexican plateau is a or an dash plateau, whether it is continental plateau or intermontane plateau. So the answer is intermontane plateau. Fourth one, the Patagonian plateau has a dash mountains on one side, Andes or Appalachian, so answer is Appalachian, and while on another side, dash ocean on the either side, South Atlantic or North Atlantic. So answer is South Atlantic. So here we are ending the topic plateau. I hope you all have understood it well and read it well. Goodbye children. Have a great day ahead.